Hello everyone. Let us today begin with our second period of lesson number 4, Animals Living and Surviving. Before we begin, let us have a quick recap. The features that allow animals to live in a surrounding they are in are called adaptations. The natural environment or living place of an animal is called its habitat. Animals that live on land are called terrestrial animals. Features of terrestrial animals are strong legs to move. They can breathe through their lungs. They have well developed nervous systems and sense organs. Animals such as crocodiles, snakes, and ground squirrels cannot bear the cold climate, so they go for a long sleep during winter, which is called as hibernation. So remember, long sleep during winter is called as hibernation. Woodchuck and wood frog are also the animals that cannot bear cold. So these animals are also called as hibernating animals. Do we see animals such as snails, earthworms, and lizards in the summer season? No, as these animals cannot bear the hot climate and go for a long sleep in summer season. We call this long sleep as estivation. So, long sleep during summer is called as estivation. Camel is called as the ship of desert. Why is it so? Because camel has various features that enables them to survive in the desert. Let us see what those features are. The first feature is that a camel has thick skin. This thick skin protects them from hot desert sun and extreme cold during nights. When you look at a camel, what is the thing that you notice first? Their long legs. Now, these long legs keep their body much above the hot sand and protect them. Also, if you take a close look at their feet, camels have padded feet. Now, these padded feet help them to walk comfortably on soft sand, and their toes are joined together so they do not sink in the sand. Look at the peculiar shape of the camel's nostrils. But you know what? These nostrils can be closed during sandstorms and they do not allow any sand to enter their nose. When you look at a camel closely, one more thing is quite prominent. It is their long eyelashes. But they need these long eyelashes to protect their eyes during sandstorms. One more thing is of utmost important for camel is their humps. Camel hump stores fat in them which gives them energy when they do not get any food and water for a long time. Coming to animals in grasslands. Some animals are adapted to live in open spaces. Animals such as wild dogs, foxes, and deers live in grasslands, and because they live in open spaces, they have a keen sense of smell and sharp eyesight. Animals such as lions and tigers are also the residents of grasslands. Now, these animals have strong legs which allow them to run fast and hunt for their prey. Do you know what are arboreal animals? Animals like monkeys and squirrels. Where do we see them? Mostly on trees, right? So the animals that spend most of their time on trees are called as arboreal animals. These arboreal animals also have some special features. They have strong claws and legs to climb trees. With the help of these strong legs, they can easily go from one tree to another. These animals also have a special use for their tail. A monkey uses its tail to swing from branch to branch, whereas a squirrel uses its tail for balancing itself while running. One more animal can be called as an arboreal animal, a chameleon. As you all know, a chameleon can change its color and its tail is curled. It uses its tail for gripping a tree branch and balancing. Let us have a quick recap, shall we? A long sleep in winter is called as hibernation. Examples are crocodile and snake. A long sleep in summer is called as estivation. Examples snail and earthworm. A camel is called as a ship of desert. It has thick skin, padded feet, long legs, long eyelashes, and a hump to store fat. Animals in grasslands have keen sense of smell and sharp eyesight. Animals that spend most of their time on trees are called arboreal animals. Amazing facts about monkeys. Look at this monkey. It is the smallest monkeys in the world. They are called as pygmy marmosets. Their weight is less than an apple, but they have the ability to leap over 30 times their body length across the treetops in the Amazon jungles. And this monkey is the world's largest monkey. It is called as mandrill. Its weight is 77 pounds, that is around 35 kilos, and its height is around 3 feet.